What's up? It's your boy, Mr. Martin, here with a PC build. So if you guys know anything about me, which is, if you know literally one thing about me, it's that I like computers. So here I am building my own computer. My stomach is full of Taco Bell, Dr. Pepper, and Goldfish, so I am ready to roll. Oh, so if you're watching this now and you're looking at my drapes and the overall decor in here and you're thinking, Mr. Martin, why does it look like you live in the house of a 90-year-old? Well, the reason for that, and there's a very good reason, and I can't wait to tell you about it, is this is my CD drive, and I'm sure a lot of the teachers watching this right now who have laptops without CD drives are noticing the irony of me putting a CD drive in my big fancy computer. Honestly, it's really not that useful. The only thing I'm going to be using it for is in case I ever want to replay The Lord of the Rings, The Battle for Middle-earth, which I borrowed from my friend Kyle in, I'll say 5th grade. And then I never gave it back to him. So Kyle, if you're out there watching it, I'm done with the game. You can have it back now. Just hit me up. So I'm going to start building now, and I might make it into a time lapse, or I might just show you the end result.
¿Por qué no las dos?
Because I don't know how long the camera battery will last, and frankly I don't want to have to micromanage that while I'm also dealing with this. When I first built a PC, this is the second time I've ever built a PC. First time I did it, I was 22 years old, and it took me about 4 hours. 4 hours. And I think I was probably a lot younger. I was definitely a lot younger then. I was probably dumber back then, and I definitely know more now. So I think it'll go faster, but now I'm older and I have more back problems. So we'll see which will be easier.
So it begins. Well, let me have a rule and a saw and a board and I'll cut it. I'll climb up a ladder with a hammer and a nail and I'll nail it. Well, we worked so hard to build a little house together. In the snow or the rain or the ice cold wind, whenever. No matter what the weather, we're together.
The next morning.
Alright, it is now 8 o'clock in the morning of the next day. I'm wearing my pajamas because I just woke up. Actually, I woke up like 3 hours ago, but that doesn't count. And as you can hear, my computer's working. This baby's purring. Ooh, listen to that. So probably my only complaint is that it's super loud, but it stays cool and it runs like a dream. As you can see, I've already got my farm up and running here in Stardew Valley. Let's get a closer look.